Hello
Wait.
guys.
Wait. You stay muna in the bench.
Hello guys, I'm playing with Shan. And today while I'm waiting for Shan, I'm gonna sit at the bench for a nice break. But first, I'm gonna bring my skateboard. Where did my skateboard go? No, my skateboard. My skateboard has loose. I miss my skateboard.
Jen, you stay in one place. You sit ka muna dyan. Saan ba
Why?
siya? Dito na yung skateboard. She's finding you also. Here, oh. She's here daw, oh. Here.
Oh, in
You
the
know this?
mansion.
Yeah.
Okay. I will know. I will remember where she is. Oh, I forgot.
Slowly. Sit slowly.
Oh, I forgot.
Hindi na
Oh.
ba magaling?
Di may kaon busy na sa.
Oh.
Bala ko, karoon
She looks similar to Lumi. Oh.
One, Sean.
You're
Wait,
so
wait, wait,
cute.
Wait.
You're so cute.
You say, you're so cute.
Hello. You're so cute. Love ya. Hello. You're so cute. Love ya. Hello.
Game. Let's go.
Hello, guys. I'm playing Avatar. Best day ever. Hello. Yay! Where are you going? I don't know why Lumi has a character in an adulted size,
Wait.
but Kisha has no character yet. But Shan has a character than the previous one, like Kisha. Now, do you want to go to bat? Why your back hair is white? Oh no. Where are you?
She's hiding.
You're in the third floor. No, she's in the third floor. Trust me. See?
Wait.
Do you wanna play tag, Shan? You catch me.
Ah, yeah. This is Sean nga. The one.
Basketry, chalice ang tela mga madam. I-open niyo po yung basketry, tapos i-swipe niyo yung picture. Makikita niyo
I was going to use laptop. Yes, I'm gonna use laptop.
meron tayong PDFs. Black diamond. Reading ink. Open niyo yung basketry mga madam para i-isip. Madam, ang ganda nito. Black pink flower. Black pink flower. Nagkaroon ulit pero konti lang ang nadagdag. Tapos wala na last month siya. So mga madam wala na po ako. Restock nito.
Hindi kami.
Wala na restock po mga madam pagka sold out. Sold out po talaga. Ganda din ito. Black pink flower.
And she also got her cat. And her cat was so very, very pretty. And oh, so cute. Now, I'm gonna bring her down.
Eto blue. Nakalimutan ko na. Basahan natin yun na lang po.
Kuha na lang man.
Nakalimutan ko na yung topic. Ang dami kasing prints.
Alam mo yung parang
Pangita ka dyan.
Eto blue coral basket. Yan yung siya mga
Pangita ka dyan.
Oh. Now, Shan will watch Peppa Pig. Hey, let's watch Peppa Pig. You can't catch me.
Talk to her, there.
Madam, hawak kayo sa pag-check out hanggang 9 ako. Hanggang 9 lang ako maglalay.
Lagi may habol-habol.
Sa ganitong style, wala tayong
I will, he's gonna be the tiger.
Galing ikabit itong ating
Oh,
cover.
where is Jan? Oh, let's click her. Whoa, I think the video is gonna end.
Ito, napakadali lang siya. Kasi nga, yung half po nito, yung two sides po nito, naka-zipper na po yan siya. At the same time, ang zipper po yan, napakaganda. Semi-cotton po pala, kaya maganda po yung quality ng tela nito. And marami kang kulay na pagpipilian, ilalagay ko yung
Let's go. Let's have party. Wait.
Ayan siya. Alin po siya ng tan. Eto ano. Yan ang pizza. Orange juice. Ah, ano. Last 3 na lang. Ayan, check as. Ubus na madam ko. Last one na lang madam. Sino pinaka-abot? Saan na lang yung tan? Ano ulit yung start ng unique giving mo? Ano pangalan? Ay, ano? Hindi ko na i-stock yung madam. Thank you, madam, sa pag-check out.
Oh. Hey, you come to the choir house. Shan, I'll bring you there. I'm gonna bring you there.
Food mo.
What?
Yan.
Spaghetti.
Wala na, orange na lang. Okay.
Niluluto daw si Sister Rose ng spaghetti. Ngayon.
Kasi yung panalangin ko madam.
Sabi ni Jack, pasend ng Gcash. Bibili na daw siya ng ano, bibili na siya ng halo-halo na bebang. Meron siya bibili. Ay, pabilan ko rin si Chen ng tinapay doon. Ay, tinapay, no?
Do you wanna ride? Let's try it. Hey Furby, dance party. Oh. Wait, I'm not a jelly pop. I am just a Furby. I am Furby style. Huh? Hey, where are you? Can we play tag? Such ugly stuff.
Is Shanisha there?
Yeah, she's oh, Shan. Hello, Shan.
Bakit ang gagawin?
Minsan lang.
Kaya lang, sobrang
Party at the beach. Go back up the beach. Back on Kansas, in between.
Para kahit gabi, kung mapupupo ka doon, hindi
Party at the beach. On and go back up the
Oo, manaming malaki eh.
Canto pensa.
Hindi ah. Ganyan talaga yan.
Sige, check out ko ah.
Hindi, tingnan mo ang ratings.
4.8.
May ara na, ano.
Ah, yung malaki siguro. Ano tayo color? 509.
Let's ride.
Pero yung parang...
Hey Furby. Dance party.
Ah, iba pa
Girls,
yung
girls.
lamp, iba pa yung umbrella. Tama ba? Kasi merong umbrella, meron ding umbrella stand.
Oo, parang ganyan.
Separate. So, nasa 800 plus lahat.
Ah, iba yung stand.
Diba? Separate. Ang payong 509, ang lamp stand naka-separate. Pugila.
Ano sa akin, bakit wala? Oo. Wala man ang mabayaran yan, ba?
Ano?
Yung din-order mo.
Na?
Kumot eh.
Baka nasa, ano na, driver.
Record dyan, oh. Ito kasi, oh. Ayan na sa kayo. Ayan na sa kayo, tingnan mo. Ayan, expected delivery.
Wait! Wait!
Ala.
Wait for me. I said, wait.
Ito pala, expected delivery. April 24, oh, ayan, oh.
Kaya niyan.
Oo, ngayon, oh. Bakit? tawag
Kaya nga
eh.
eh.
Bakit hindi siya mag-deliver? Bakit tawag-tawag ka?
5:32, dito tayo ah.
Kaya nga.
Unsuccessful daw. Baka siya lang yung hindi nakapunta.
Yan. Message mo kay. Nasa bahay kami. Hindi kami umalis.
Hindi ko nadadamihan yun. So, bibigyan namin.
Oo nga. Hindi kami umalis. Baka sabihin na lang tapos sa
Sa seller ka lang magsabi.
Ano ba yan? Diba? Sabi pa ko nga si Masang aga pa. Sabi ko, bibigyan.
Oh, Sean, why did you give me a lemon? It's very sour.
Hindi ako puntahan.
Wala ko lang number.
So sour, so sour.
Hindi pa daw sure sige. Nasa meeting daw siya ngayon. Pero pinag-send niya lang just in case na makaabot dun sa ano. Sa office na siya eh.
Yuck! Yuck!
You're playing with Shanta?
Yes,
Or are you, what are you doing?
she's here. Help me, good. We saved you. Now, you wanna go on a ride? Oh. Huh? Oh. Urgh. Hmm? You wanna let you in? Oh. Hmm.
Yung nararamdaman parang nagdanam, parang makinang, yung kusa lang. Kabila, minsan lumilipat.
Dito mo, ano, pababa.
Ano pa ganito? Pataas, ano?
Ano mo,
Ganyan.
ano ito? Ito? Mukha ko ba?
Ganon.
Hindi na mawala.
Para mag-circulate ang dugo.
Pagka din mo gawin.
Ano naisip ko nga dito, ano eh, anong tawag doon? Diba, parang, ano yung mga kinain natin? Yung mga nag-order tayo, sa tingin ko yung sa ano, sinampalupang manok yung kabano, di ba? Tapos, kumakain din ako ng mga mamantika na gano'n sa labas, pati. Kasi parang,
Bro,
nararamdaman ko ba
why?
dahil sa kaka-order. May mga ano kasi yun, chemicals or parang, ano ba tawag doon?
Kuya, wala ka sa mga
Why?
Ako wala ka gain ng cholesterol ako gain.
Hindi ko man ano
Oo nga, kaya ako wala ko nang naman. Kahit sakit, noon palagi nasakit dito ko. Noon. Ngayon wala. Kasi gain ng cholesterol. Pag sa ano,
Starven?
gain ng
Oh, yum.
ang uric favour stuff.
Moy.
Yan. Yan.
Moy,
Yan.
yum.
Ay, wala akong naman. Noon dito ko, magkakapon, hindi ko kalakad.
Para masakit.
Why you're still here, though? My battery is getting lubot.
You're talking to her?
Yeah.
Sit down pa pala yung back. Give me your hand.
Huh? Oh my god.
Hmm.
Oh. What do you want, Shan? Oh, what do you want, Shan? Aww. Rin? What? Oh, like and subscribe to see where I sit. Shan! Bro! Where is Shan? Where is Shan? Where are you? Music or art? Ah, your art. Ah, your art. Let's see. Where are you, bro? Body at the beach. Oh, let's read books. Oh,
Kamahol dapper talaga.
hello.
Ang
Oh,
bantayan nila, yung
hello
malupot,
again.
diba?
Hello, I'm Teacher
Ang
Rex.
ibang yero.
And today, we're learning about fractions. Oh, we're learning about fractions. Yeah, right. So, I will teach you. This is a pizza. Now, this is 1/2.
Kilala ko kaya.
So, this is 1/2. Oh, this is 1/2. Ocean. Now, think. Now, I'm gonna check your answers. Let's go. Why we're freezing? Oh! you're freezing. Oh, night. Oh, fine. Let's play. Jumping jacks. Oh, get away. Oh. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Let's play football.
Jen, you're playing with Shan?
What?
Now? You're playing
Yes.
na? Where is she? Nakakatuwa naman. Nag-play kayo.
Uy, hala.
Oh no! Why? Oh no!
Sige, sige na,
Where's
sige
the other? The pen cover.
Oh,
Where
take a
is
picture
it?
lang.
Oh no!
Wow.
Oh no!
Wait, I'll take a video. Send it to her.
So
You're
my
playing,
pen
she's
cover
playing
had lost, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.
No.
Wait. Why?
Why? I will take a video.
But my pen.
No.
Okay,
lang.
thank you.
You
for
play muna
fixing.
using your hand. Mamaya isipin ni Shan you're not playing na. Where's Shan? I'll show to her mom that you're playing. Game. Take a video. Shoot.
Oh, bunny rabbit. Oh, bunny rabbit.
Hey, you watch there. Oh, you play lang. I'll take a video. Send it to her mom. What's that? Volleyball?
Yeah, no, football.
Lahat ay hindi na lang. 597 plus 20 stop tayo magpupaw.
Hey, you talk to her.
Ilan na yun? Siyam
Oh.
na piraso na yun.
Can you
Hello.
make your to bigger character? Because Shan's character is big.
Thank you for watching.
Call nyo lang to. Basket 16.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You rate my video
I'm sorry
for
you're
a
recording
double
pala.
like.
Ang galing naman ni Sisi.
Like and oh.
Kagaling.
Before rating my video, you like and subscribe.
Ginawasan ko na lang ng fresh. So, 199.
Matish, ano ba yan? Why you back and forth? What's that?
You like?
You say something. Give her food. Give her food. Can you give her food? Can you give her food? Give her food. Give her food. She ate the food.
That's right.
Where are you going to? Where's the food? Is there a store there? Wala. Where's the food?
Oh. Yeah, we'll go to the we'll also bring her to the canteen.
Okay.
Okay, one more flex basket.
You bring her, even though she doesn't want to go. You go with her.
Flex na naman.
When she didn't want to go, she's like, what? Where am I?
Bayad na ng sharing. Balikan mo yung basket. Sana nga
Ang kamay talaga ni...
sabi ng suppliers,
Ewan ko lang ano to. Dapat kasi nakaganon lang yan. Ito nakaganito. Be, wala to pangihi ah. Che.
Oh no, I forgot.
Bakit ganun?
Let's eat spaghetti.
Sarap ng mga food nila, may spaghetti. You have to go outside, Jen.
Yes?
Ah?
Yes.
Let's go.
Not yet. Where will we go? So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share it to your friends. And also, my multiplayer with Azo. See you. And thank you for watching our live. When I play with Sean.
Magwata?
And please like and subscribe.
Anong sabi?
Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't, and click the notification bell so that you will never miss notifications. You will not miss notifications. And see you in the next live. Bye. It's Zoe Chan's world with a full of love. A boy or a girl, something what? The place to go. It's Zoe Chan's world. It's Zoe Chan's world with a love, with a pain. You can know about me and you, not me and you, me and you. It's Zoe Chan's world. Open the door. It's Zoe Chan's world. Have fun. I'll write my lyrics and make a new song for my Zoe Chan's world. Volcano eruption.